Dr. MathanKumar, Assistant Professor of Chemistry, Erode Arts and Science College, Erode. Now we will discuss about the topic is food adulteration. So food is essential substance of life. We all ate food and gain energy for different metabolic activities. All living organisms needed for food, growth, work, repair, and maintaining life processes. These are different types of food available today in the market and on a daily basis. We all depend on various food sources, including vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulses, legumes, etc. As we buy fresh veggie and other groceries, we might have come across small purples in cereals and grains, darkly stained vegetables like cabbage, broccoli, fruits, dark red media, a lot more. So, adulteration or contamination of natural food products is one of the major challenges in today's society. And despite various actions and penalties, the practice of adding adulterants is quite common in developing countries. There are various methods used for adulterating natural products. Here in this topic, let us learn what exactly adulteration is, what are the different types of adulterants added to the some other food products. So introduction. So what is food adulteration? Is a legal term meaning that a food product fails to meet the legal standards. So one form of adulteration is an addition of another substance to a food items in order to increases the quantity of the food items in raw form or prepared form, which may result in the loss of actual quality of food items. These substances may be either available food items or non-food items. So types, there are three types of food adulteration. So first one is intentional adulteration, second one is incidental adulteration, third one is metallic adulteration. So what is intentional adulteration? When a substance that look similar to the constituents of the food are added to it to increase its weight and gain more profit. For example, mixing up pebbles, stones, marbles, sand, mud, with chalk powder, contaminated water, etc. So second one is incidental adulteration. So incidental adulteration occurs due to negligence while handling food, like residues of pesticides in grain, larva, growth, presence of dropping of rodents, etc. So third one is metallic adulteration. So metallic adulteration, that means the addition of metallic materials into food like lead or mercury is metallic adulteration. It may happen accidentally or even intentionally. So another one is packaging hazard. The packing materials in which the food is packed may also interfere and mix with the constituents of the food, leading to packaging hazards. Next, unethical. So the food adulteration has become a very common practice in our food country, and we are consuming these foods almost every day, which have a numerous harmful effect of our health. The usage of adulterants has increased in societies because of few legal controls on food quality and are poor non-existent monitoring by authorities. It frequently occurs where informal food production and marketing services are predominant and enforcement of food regulation in weak. So food adulteration is unethical and is called also social evil and a slow poison. So next, food adulteration in categories. So there are three types. Replacement. First one is the complete or partial replacement of a food ingredient or valuable authentic constituents with less expensive substitute with the intention of circumventing an origin and false declaration of the process. So second one is addition of small amounts of non-authenticated substance to mask interfere quality ingredient. So third one is removal of authentic and valuable constituents without purchasers knowledges. Next, some common adulteration and the diseases caused by them. So first one, milk How buffalo milk have been adulterated with starch, milk powder, urea, formalin, and detergents. So, what is the health effect of our body? Means cancer or acute renal failure. So list of common milk adulterants and their harmful effects. So adulterants water added for increases milk volume, damage, decreases the nutritive value and poses health and hazard to infant. So second one is benzoic acid, third one is detergent, fourth one is urea, fifth one is formalin, starch. So starch is added for in milk, increases quantity and maintenance SNF in synthetic milk. So what causes in our body? Causes may can produce it in our body. First one is diarrhea, may be fatal for diabetics. Detection of detergent in milk. So testing method, very simplest method. So take 5 to 10 ml of sample with an equal amount of water. Sample means water. That means shakes the contents thoroughly. It milk adulterates with detergents. It forms dense lather. So pure milk will form a very thin foam layer due to the agitation. So green tick is pure milk, red mark is adulterated milk. Ghee. Adulterated ghee essence in use for cheaper oil and passed of gas pure ghee. This type of ghee will not solidify like a normal ghee. It may also not have a grainy texture of pure ghee. Pure ghee. So volume of lard animal fat added to butter. So mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes or other starch is added to ghee. What is the health effect of in our body? So cancer or acute renal failure. The argan oil is used to adulterate ghee and butter is highly toxic. It causes disease known as dropsile. That means a fluid collection in some parts of the body. It may also paralyze the limbs. What is the detection of ghee? Method of used in the detection of mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, and other standard in ghee butters. So testing method: take a half teaspoon of ghee. Butter is a powder glass bowl. So added 2-3 drops of texture of aniline. Formation of blue indicates in the presence of ghee. So yellow is formed is corrected or pure. The blue color is formed adulterated. So what are the advantages of in food adulteration? The main purpose of food adulteration is to alter the quality of food products of economic advantages. The advantages of food adulteration only includes the better appearance in the food, may increase the selling price, but these advantages only affect the producer of the product. So what are the disadvantages? Having this adulterated food is highly toxic and leads to several health issues, including certain nutrition deficiency diseases. So kidney disorders and failure of individual organ systems, including heart, kidney, and liver. Adulteration also affects the quality of the product, leading a hindrance to the nutritive value of the products, thus leading to nutritive deficiency in our body. Thank you.